welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you some of my favorite cleaning hacks that you can use with just at-home, everyday essentials. Every time I use these and I do these hacks, I get extremely happy and mind blown at how amazing they work, and all of the ingredients are super safe for your family and your kiddos. So let's just go ahead and hop on into this video. So these are the products that I'm going to go ahead and use today. It's just generic vinegar, baking soda, Sam's Club brand dryer sheets, some microfiber cloths, and a lemon. So my first cleaning hack is going to be to take some vinegar. I just put some in a squirt bottle, and take that dryer sheet, give it a couple squirts, go to your baseboard and give it a good scrub. I don't know what it is about it, but it really picks up all of the dirt and grime. And because the dryer sheet smells amazing, it will make your house smell good too. Then take your microfiber cloth, give it a good spray again with that vinegar, and just go ahead and buff and polish it. So my next cleaning hack is going to be centered around cleaning out all of the gunk and grime out of your microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and take that lemon that I sliced in half, squeeze all of the juice into this water, and then actually just toss the whole darn lemon into the water. Then just go ahead and carry it over to your microwave and pop it in. I'm just going to show you how gross this microwave is. It is pretty old, but it still works great. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a good cleaning today. So after I put that in, I'm going to go ahead and let it run for about 3 minutes. So while my microwave is going with that hot lemon, I'm just showing you this product that I found under the sink. We did just move in and this was left over, and I'm just honestly looking at all of the yucky ingredients in it, and I would just prefer to be a little bit more all natural for my kiddos. So now my microwave is done. If you do this hack, make sure you get that bowl out with hot pad holders or a towel, because it is going to be extremely, extremely hot, and I don't want anybody to burn themselves. So with that lemon and that water, it creates so much humidity that you can literally just take a paper towel and wipe it on out, and then it looks amazing afterwards. Alright, so for my next cleaning hack, I'm going to go ahead and clean that garbage disposal. As I showed you previously, I don't like to use anything that has a lot of chemicals in it. So I'm just going to do 2 birds with 1 stone, drop that hot, soggy lemon down my disposal with some baking soda, get the hottest water possible, and let that run, and it will smell amazing. Alright guys, for my next hack, I'm going to go ahead and show you my bathroom sink. It just makes me so upset. I just cleaned this like day before yesterday, and it just is really, it needs some TLC. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the other half of that lemon, wipe it down, squirt some juice on it, and then take my generic vinegar and a microfiber cloth, get it doused pretty good, and just drape it over the faucet and the handles, and then just let that sit for a good 20-30 minutes. The next thing I'm going to do is squirt some of that lemon and sprinkle some baking soda in my trash can. You would be surprised at just 2 little ingredients that contain the yucky, stinky odors that come from all of the garbage. But baking soda is the best. Check out the back. It tells you how to clean so many objects with it. I just love it. Alright, so time has passed by now, and I'm going to go ahead and take my microfiber cloth that's doused in vinegar and give the faucet a super, super good scrubbing, and then I will go ahead and go in with my trusty favorite cleaning tool, the Q-tip, and get all of those cracks and crevices. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take a dry microfiber cloth and give it a really good shine. Last hack is so easy. Just grab a lint roller and go over the cushions of your couch and see what you pick up. Alright everybody, that is it for today's video. If you found motivation and want to try these cleaning hacks, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And let me know down in the comments below if you tried any of these hacks. They really do work really well, and I like how safe they are for my kiddos and my pets around. So go ahead and give them a try, and like I said, leave me a comment down below if you do try them, because I totally want to know how it worked for you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.